think about the Ron from Harry Potter? Why?
I know what you're talking about, right?
What do you think about him? He's pretty good looking.
He's super mega foxy awesome hunter.
Well, he's a junior.
But not a super mega foxy awesome hunter.
I said junior.
Not a super mega foxy awesome hunter like boyfriend.
Who is?
PJ.
PJ who?
Me.
So we're not even dating?
Stop! You have a girlfriend!
Yeah? I'm a Mormon.
Yeah, you're dating my boyfriend.
Yeah, that's